Guess the brand. Sobrang liit. Oh, do you like that one? Ay, sure. Sobrang nice. Ayan. Who's this for? Baby sister. Oh, do you like that one? This is for baby sister. Have a look at the face, guys. Oh, sobrang dungis kasi kumain ng yogurt. You can have a bath with daddy? Hmm?
It's getting cold and hot.
Yeah, it's getting hot in here. It's very cold before, that's why I turned that on. Anyways, do you want to see what I bought for you and baby sister?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah! Okay, so first pala, guys, hindi to siya sa Ukay-Ukay na bili. Si Daddy Mike bumili nito, pumunta kami ng shops. And, ano siya, ang tawag dito? Face towel, tsaka towel ni baby number 2 natin. Sobrang ganda ng laman, oh. $38. Okay, have a look. Who's this for, baby sister? Sobrang soft, and alam niyo yung print, sobrang ganda, oh, diba? And then, the same din yung kanyang face washer.
This is for you.
B? And then, with that one, ito din yung binili ni Daddy.
This is mine.
Ayan, sobrang liit.
This is mine.
Ayan, sobrang liit niya.
This is so
But
big.
then, yung presyo nito, guys, yeah.
This is so bigger.
So bigger, that's...
A few moments later.
Hi, guys! Take 2 tayo. So, kanina kasi, nalobat ang ating battery. At yung isang battery ko hindi pala na-charge. Kaya, hinintay ko muna. Kaya ang ating baby girl ay fast forward, nakaligo na. Anak, show, tita, your hair. Shush, are you fresh? I'm not sick.
What? Are you better?
I am better now, much better. Ayan, so saan tayo nag-stop kanina, guys? This one, anak.
It's a bee. It's a bee.
So, yung towel tsaka yung face washer para kay baby number 2. Tapos, kasama noon, binili ito ni Daddy Mike, guys. So, brand new to sila. This one was $36.95. Dito lang.
And this
Ayan.
box
Si
here.
Daddy Mike ang bumili niyan. And this box here. Pero ito, yung sa bag na to, guys, sa Ukay-Ukay, sa op shop ko to binili. So, kaya nga gusto ko talaga sa Ukay-Ukay din, guys, kasi very affordable.
For you.
Tignan nyo siya, guys. Oh, kanta-kanta. Singer ka na? Singer ka na? Uy, nak! Sit here, nak, para makita ka ni tita.
This is my shoes.
Be, show, tita, andito your shoes, be. Be? Oh, hindi rin siya nagpapaiwan. Oh, sus. Alright, so the first one na binili ko, this one, ano siya, sobrang ganda ng brand na to, guys. Peter Rabbit. And, can you believe it? I only got it for $3. Ayan. First one. So, madaliin natin, guys, kasi medyo marami-rami ito. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo, guys. So, diba? Sharing is caring. And this one is for Paris.
For me?
Oh, yes. This is for you. It's got cherries. Ayan. I got this one for $4, guys. Sobrang cute, diba?
Very good.
And then the next one is for baby sister. Is this for baby sister, nak? Sobrang cute. Tingnan nyo. Meron siyang bunny na may balloons. Got this one for $2 only. O, diba? So, can you imagine, guys? Dito, this one is $2. Kasi, sa Ukay-Ukay. But this one, kasi brand new siya sa shop, it's $40. Tingnan nyo, ang kaibahan ng presyo. And then the next one is, Nak, I think this is for you, Nak.
Me? It's a big one?
It's a big one. It's for you. $3.
$5?
Big, come here, B. Anak lang, B. Don't wear it yet. I'm just gonna do like that if it's... May go
Look, Mommy. Look at this. This is for me too.
Really? I think this is small, B. We'll see. Kung maigo pa sa'yo mo, Nak. If it still fits you, imo. Later na masuot pa ng
You
baby
might not
sister.
too small.
It's not too small. How about this? How about this? What do you think of this?
It's for me.
It's for you too?
Yes.
Ayan, oh. Sobrang yellow. $4 this one. What's this one for?
BBC.
It's for you!
Mommy?
Size 3, yeah. Ayan.
It's $1.
$1. And then this is for you!
Mommy?
Yeah!
Mickey Mouse?
Mickey Mouse. Do you like this one?
Yes, I want.
$3 only, guys.
Only
Oh,
for me.
sobrang ganda. And then, how about this?
This is.
How about this?
This will fit.
Will this fit you?
Yes.
You reckon?
Let's see.
Let's see. Okay, B. Fits you?
This.
Wow! So nice.
Mama, only me.
Only you. Oh, careful na kayo. Laban. $5 yun siya, guys.
That's okay.
And this one is for Nak. It's for you again, Nak. Oh, it's not for. It's for you and baby sister naman, Nak. Eh. Baby sister ko. Wear it to later. $3. Oh, sobrang ganda. Oh, careful, Nak. Have a look, Nak. Baba. First, go. Have a look.
Wow.
Wow. Nice. This one is for baby sister. Sobrang cute. Like, super cute. Tingnan nyo.
Oh, who's
Ralph
this
Lauren.
Mom, this is for me
Ayan.
too.
But,
Mommy.
medyo
this is
mahal
for
siya,
me.
guys. $11.
Mommy.
But,
It's for me too.
it's very worth it naman.
Mommy, this is just for me.
Oh, that is for mama. This is very big.
Yes.
Have a look. Be sure sa tita, be. So that's for mama. Mustard.
Mommy.
$5.
Mommy.
Show sa akin, tita. Nak, like that. Oh. Oh. Wow. Next. This one is very nice too.
This for me.
This is from mama. This is a big one. Blazer siya. Size 10 siya, guys. Pero maganda to siya pang oversize ba?
Wow.
Anak, mama.
Wow.
Oh. Do you like that one? Oh, we'll show tita first. Ayan, diba? Sobrang ganda niya, guys.
Here you go, my.
Pang ano-ano lang.
Here you go, mommy.
Okay. Thank you. $4 for this one. And you know what? Anak, this one is Guess. The brand. Sobrang liit. Oh, do you like that one?
Yeah.
Ay, sure. Thank you. Stand here, Nak. So they can see you, Nak. Because tita and tita can see you. Sobrang nice.
Wow.
Ayan. Who's this for? Baby sister.
Mom.
Oh, do you like that one?
What horse is?
This is for baby sister because it's too small. See? You're big already.
Yes, I'm.
Sobrang bagong-bago pa talaga, guys. Like, never used pa. That's for mama, Nak. When mama's not pregnant anymore. Hindi to siya kasya sa akin ngayon. But then, later on, kakasya na to siya. Hopefully. So, binili ko na. $7 lang. Don't put on your face, Nak. Eh. Wala pa nakalabhan. And this one, look how cute this one is. $3. Sobrang liit. Sis drama baka ni mo ako eh. And this one is just a plain shirt for me.
Mom, that's too big
Very
for me.
stretchy and comfortable. $5.
Mommy, that's too big for me.
That's too big for you. So this is for mama.
Mommy?
Yeah, see?
Wow!
Very stretchy,
Mommy, look, mommy!
comfortable. That one is for mama too.
It's just for you.
Kung maigo sa tiyan. Ayan,
Mickey
super nice.
Mouse!
Mickey Mouse. Super cute, diba? $5 din
Mommy,
yan.
it's the same.
It's the same, yeah.
It is the
And
same
this one
as
is from
mine.
H&M. Skirt siya. Na I think masusuot ko to ngayon kasi stretchy siya dito. $7. Oh, diba? And then the last but not the least, this one. Ah, yeah. This is from the brand Ukay. Sobrang mahal ng brand na to, guys. I got this one for $9. Pero skirt siya. Careful, di anak. Careful, mataga ka ha. Skirt siya. Ayan. Very stretchable. So, kasya yung bump natin dito, guys. Ayan. O, diba? Alam, may fan pa tayo. But this one is my favorite talaga sa mga napamili ko. Sobrang nagandahan talaga ako sa kanya. Pwede siya pang ano lang, pang casual ba. Gay, nag-cramp ang aking paa, guys. Kaya ga. Kaya, doctor. Fix it. Yes, please. Hala.
Okay, wait here. I will get some.
Yes. Guys, sobrang sakit niya, guys. Anyways, guys, yeah, that's the end of our video. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. I hope na-enjoy nyo yung video natin for today. Before natin i-end yung ating vlog, we will do a quick shout out.
I will help you guys.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, doctor.
Okay.
Thank you. I feel better.
Yes, I feel
I feel better. Okay, so the first shout out goes to Waverly VIC, Cecil Regalado, Stella Miranda, Mad Brat, Calvin Burinaga, G. Alcera, Fritzy Marjorie Ramos, Belindy Jesus, Lovely Dugomeo, Helen Sonico, Felina Rodriguez, Red Sibial, Jonah Reese, Digna Villa Vicencio, Yet Balino, Feli Lamparo, Gail, Tiza Moreno, Mari Carla Pinig, Daida Trufil, Mylene Franco, Gigi and Laika Vlogs, Ifihinya Zarate, Ayen Capina, Luz Viminda Arabia, and Elsa Mapago.
Elsa?
Yes, Elsa.
Me?
Yes. Sit down here, okay? We will say bye-bye to Tita na.
Bye.
That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, you say it. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye bye.
be careful. Bye. Mwah.